cassava machine manufacturing, yes. And so today I will show you about the cassava processing machines and our company history and what kind of machine we have and how to process cassava to different products. For example, the garri, cassava flour, cassava starch. Yeah, for garri, cassava flour, cassava starch. So welcome to our live streaming. Yeah, so if you have any problem, you can contact me, or you can send a message to us. When I got your message, our project manager will contact you. Yes, okay. Welcome to our live streaming. Yes, okay, yeah, so you can see, yeah, this is our company name. We are doing holdings in China. And you can see, I will show you about our company history and our cassava processing machines. Actually, our company established from 2011 and until now. Our location in China. Now we have branch office in Nigeria, yeah, in West Africa. Currently, we have different subsidiaries, and to do different products. For us, we are cassava processing machine, and we also have other subsidiaries to do the palm oil, the vegetable oil processing machines, like the palm oil and the sunflower oil, yes, the vegetable oil machines. And another subsidiary, we do the waste tire refining, yeah, some recycling, the recycling and environmental machines. And we also have one to do the waste plastic recycling, yeah, also the recycling machines. So you can see this is our company office. Yeah, our company office. Our company established in 2011, and now we have 5 subsidiaries, including the Nigeria branch. And for us, we are cassava department. So now our products can divide to 2 cans. One is for the food processing machines, include vegetable oil processing machine and the cassava processing machines. Another is the environmental machines, include the palm oil processing machine. Include the waste tire refining machines and the waste plastic recycling machines. And now we have branch office in Nigeria. We are in Lagos, and recently we already have many customers. They visited our Africa branch. Yes, and now my colleague and our engineer also in Nigeria. So that means if you want to visit our factory, you can visit China, and of course you also can visit Nigeria. And now our branch in Nigeria, which can provide the after-sale services for every customer. Yes, include the technical advice or some spare part. Yes, guarantee. So let's go on to check to learn more about our company. Yeah, you see, this is our factory. Yes, the background is our factory. We call it doing holdings. Yes. this is our company organization structure. Yeah, different department and different subsidiaries. Okay, so this is all. This is our cassava processing machines. Yeah, cassava processing machines include the garri machine, cassava flour, cassava starch, cassava chips machines, and also have the starch, like the sweet potato starch and cassava sweet potato starch and potato starch machines. Yeah, so if you are interested cassava machine or the sweet potato starch processing, you can contact us to provide or complete machine list for you. And we also welcome you visit China, visit our office. Yeah, we can talk some more details face by face. So this is some installation pictures. Yes, and some customer visit our factory and include our Nigeria branch office. Yes, so you can see the first one and two. This was we did in Tanzania. Yeah, in Tanzania, East Africa, we did our cassava flour processing line, and it's invested by a France company, a Europe company. Yes. And so the third picture is our Nigeria customer visited our factory. And the last picture, this was in our Nigeria branch. This is another, the edible oil processing machine, the vegetable oil. Yeah, vegetable oil. Include palm oil and also some other vegetable oil processing machines. And this is another, the environmental machines, solid. And this one we did in China These are our delivery pictures. How we deliver our machines. First, you can see for some spare part, we will package them in the wooden box and then deliver it together with a list. And we also will ship. We also can load machine in our factory, or we transfer. Compare with the local machines. Yes, the advantage of our machines. So in my presentation, if you have any problem or if you want to learn more about our machines, you can send me message. So if no other problem, we will start to check how to process cassava processing machines, how to process fresh cassava to garri. Let me show you a video. This is our 3D video about garri processing line. This is our factory, yeah, our complete factory. These are different garri machines. So firstly, this is our feeding hopper. Cassava tubers will put in feeding hopper, and then the feeding hopper put cassava on the belt conveyor. So you see, this is a belt conveyor. And first step is to wash or clean and wash cassava tubers. And this is, you can see in the video, this is a dry sieve machine. It's used to remove some surface dirty and part of layers, because we know cassava harvest from farms, they are very dirty with other impurities. So first we will use these dry sieve machines to remove the layers, remove part of layers. So you can see the layers will be collected and drop down. After the dry sieve, this is our paddle washing machine. Paddle washing machine. It uses water washing. Paddles move cassava forward. So now washing step finish, and next is to remove the layers by the peeling machine. So you can see this is a peeling machine. After peeling, transported by the belt conveyor. Next is crushing, or we call it grating or crushing. This is grating machine. Yeah, this is grating machine. This is our old grating machine. You can see the slurry will out from here. And by this machine, at the same time, you also can get some starch, milk. So next, after the grating, next to do fermentation. So this is our hopper. This is our dividing hopper to divide slurry and to different bags, and then the bags will be put on the shelf. Fermentation about 2 or 3 days to do garri. Yeah. So after the fermentation, next to use this one to remove the moisture. Yeah, squeeze and remove the moisture. After remove the moisture, this step to break cassava cake again, and next then you can easy to fry. Yeah, it's easy to fry. So now this is a hammer mill, or we call it, or grating machine. Yes. So after this grating and or broken, next use the fryer. So this is our fryer. Yeah, use the fryer to fry. So when you finish fry, this fryer can adjust, and you make the garri out. And this is our system. This is our cooling system. Because this design, after garri fry, the temperature is high. So in order to reduce temperature fast, we design this cooling system. But of course, if you don't want this cooling system, you just put garri in the pot, maybe longer time, maybe a few minutes, yeah, to reduce the temperature. So this is a cooling system. After the cooling system, the garri will drop down. Yeah, the garri will drop down into the sifter. We call the vibration sieve. Yes, vibration sieve. This one to separate big and small particles. So the big particles will collect by this, and then some fine particle garri will be packaged automatic. Automatic package. Then you can sell to market. So this is all complete garri processing video. Okay, so now let's go on to learn the machine details. So these are our machine details introductions. So you can see this one. The first is the feeding hopper. This one, feeding hopper, it can storage cassava tubers shortly. In short time. And there has our details. In the hopper bottom, there has a vibration device. It means when cassava put to the hopper, and the hopper will shaking working, and to put cassava on the belt conveyor regularly. Let me send to you this video. You can check. Yes, like this, you can see the hopper will shaking when working. So this design, it can put cassava on the belt conveyor regularly. Yes, and it also can avoid too much cassava to block the belt conveyor. Okay, let's go on. So this is the feeding hopper, and next is belt conveyor. To do transport cassava from the feeding hopper to the washing machine, or from the washing machine to the peeling machine. So it's used to transport cassava. To do connection, make a complete processing line automatic. So this is the belt. We use the herringbone shape belt, which is has strong friction, and when cassava on the surface, not easy to drop down. Yes. And in the bottom have three roller. You can see the three roller. 1, 2, 3. 3 rollers make the belt balance, keep balance. Not easy to run. Yeah. So next, this is belt conveyor. Yes. Next is cleaning machine. The first clean, remove some impurities and remove part of layers. So by this we call the dry sieve machine. Remove mud, earth, and skin from the cassava tubers by the rotary. It's simple. Simple operate, and it can use long time. And for this one is a water washing. We call the paddle washing machine. It used the counter current principle to wash cassava tubers completely. Counter current, which means the cassava move direction is opposite with the water flow direction. This design can make cassava tubers have better washing effect. and it can remove cassava cassava tubers surface dirty. And that is, so this is the pedal washing, the inter details. You can see the pedals. So when this machine working, the pedals will move cassava forward. And you can see the inside. There has many holes, different holes, many holes. The holes can collect sand. And we also have the design, have the groove in the bottom. The groove will collect collect some stones. So after the washing, next need to remove the layers by the peeling machine. So this is cassava peeling machine. Peeling machine now we update many times, and finally we use such sand paper, sand roller design, sandpaper, which means on the roller surface we covered sandpaper on the surface. Sandpaper have strong friction, and when it meet water, stronger friction, and it can remove cassava layers, because we know cassava layers are very thick. Yes. So by this sand roller design, it has strong friction and hard enough, so it can remove cassava layers by the rotary and to remove the layers. And in this peeling machine, it also can add a water pipe, and then you can peeling and washing at the same time to get a better effect. In the bottom, peeling machine bottom have our device can collect residue, make the workshop clean. This is a grating machine. This is a grating machine. After peeling, next to crush cassava to the slurry. So by this grating machine. So you can see this is our new design, the grating machine. When you put cassava in the top, from the top, and the cassava will be out from the bottom directly. Easy operate and high working efficiency. Yes. So for this one, at least you can process about 2 tons fresh cassava tubers per hour. 2 tons cassava tubers per hour. So it's very high working efficiency. And in some small scale garri and small scale cassava flour processing, you can use this grating machine. And the machine is all stainless steel material. This is the hydraulic press machine. It used to remove the moisture. It used to remove the moisture. It used to remove the moisture after the grating. And of course, after grating, then you need fermentation cassava slurry 2 or 3 days. After fermentation, next use this hydraulic press machine to remove the moisture. After the presser, the moisture content about 38% to 40%. In small scale cassava flour processing, it also can use this one to remove the moisture. And this one is a hammer mill. Hammer mill, it used to grate cassava slurry again, or cassava cake. Break the cassava cake, yes. Then it's easy to dry. Sorry, it's easy to fry. So this is the fryer, garri fryer. This fryer, you can choose diesel, gas, or electricity. Choose one, yes. And you also can add the palm oil in the garri fryer to get high quality garri. We call it yellow garri, right? Yeah, so after the frying, next is to sifting, separate big and small particles by this vibration sieve. This is the equipment, some control cabinet. The control cabinet, we have our electrical engineer. It can design according to your requirement. If you need a PLC system, we also can provide. Then you can check the machine, how machine running by computer. So this is garri processing the flow chart. A complete from the feeding hopper, then belt conveyor, dry sieve, pedal washing, peeling machine, and then the dewatering machine, and the garri fryer, the sifting machine, and the package machine. So this is a complete garri processing line. And if you want to start from small scale or the big scale, it's okay. So you can send us your idea. Then we will provide the suitable machine for you. So let us check this 3D video again. So firstly, cassava tubers will put in the belt in the feeding hopper, and this one is a vibration device. And then belt conveyor transport cassava to the first washing machine, dry sieve machine. This is the pedal washing machine. Belt conveyor. This is peeling machine. Remove the layers. So after peeling, next belt conveyor transport cassava to this grating machine, or we call it crushing or grating. This machine we can design to a diesel one or the electricity or electrical one. So if you want a diesel one, yeah, no problem. This is the an old design, the grating machine, and currently we will use the new design. Don't have this the barrier. So after this crushing, next to do fermentation. So this is our dividing hopper. Fermentation shelf. Fermentation 2 or 3 days. This is hydraulic press machine. Hydraulic pressing. To remove the moisture. After this, the moisture content about 38%. So now you get the cassava cake. And next, in order to easy to fry, we need to break the cake. So this is the grating or crusher to break a cake. Next, use this garri fryer to fry garri. So when you finish, you can adjust the pot and to pour the garri out. And the garri will be collected by this screw conveyor. So this we all can design. If you need, our engineer can design for you the automatic one or the semi-automatic. Okay, so this is the cooling system. This is the sifting or vibration sieve, separate big and small particles. Fine particle will be packaged directly. Package and sieving. So this is our complete factory. So if you have any problem about our machines or about our company, you can send a message to us. And if you also want to set up our cassava factory in your country, we welcome getting your inquiry, and we will provide our advice and give you the suitable machines. This is one of our Nigeria customer ordered our garri line. Yeah, you can see this is our 2 tons input per hour. Finish installation like this. This is grating machines, yes, grating machines. And the pressing, hydraulic pressing, you can see the garri fryer. There has 5 fryers. And this is the sifting vibration sieve. Yeah, from hopper, belt conveyor, the dry sieve, the pedal washing, yes. So you can see a complete factory. If you also interested in this skill, yeah, you can send inquiry to us.
有买家进入直播间了。
Or another customer's workshop. You see, he processed garri and flour, and we cooperate many years from the 2019 until now. And now he set up his own company and has own website. His product sales very popular. Yeah, it's in Nigeria, yes. So you can see the dryer, yes, the flash dryer, the control cabinet. Outside you can see the dryer and the hot store. This is the dryer. Heat exchanger, yes. So you see, if you are interested in our machine, welcome you send inquiry to us. Let me send you some, share you some videos. This is a project we did in Indonesia. You can see there has the vibration device in the feeding hopper, the bottom feeding hopper. Yes, you can see like this. Then cassava will be put regularly on the belt conveyor. So next is wash cleaning. Yeah, so this is dry sieve. Dry sieve working video. So you can see some layers can be collected, and for this cleaning part, normally we advise customer put on outside the workshop, because it's very dirty. So when you put outside the workshop, you can keep the workshop clean. This is a pedal washing machine. So you can see when it's working, the pedals move cassava forward, and will be outside from here, the outlet. Peeling machine. How the peeling machine running and how it look like. Yeah, so you'll see. This is our new grating machine. So we will put cassava tubers from the top, and then will be output directly. And for this one, it can process 2 tons cassava tubers per hour. Very high working efficiency. You can see working when it's working like this. And this one is our old grating machine. So you can see how it's working when you put cassava. So here is the output. And you can get some starch milk. So you can collect the starch milk, and you can get some starch. Yeah, after you dry by sunlight maybe. This is a hydraulic pressing machine. Our Jamaica customer ordered this one. You can see how it look like and how it's working. A squeezed water. This one has outside barrier. Yes, so that means you can collect the moisture water. You see? You use bags and then put bags on this barrel. Then open the switch on, and then you can check to squeeze and remove the moisture. This one is the garri fryer. How it like and how it working. You can see it can, when it operates, it can steering. And this is a control cabinet. Yes, you can check the temperature and the steering speed. Switch on, switch off the fryer. So this one in factory, and before we deliver, we will test every machines. We'll test every machines to ensure it can running normally before delivery. So after fryer, next is to separate big and small particles. This is our vibration sieve. Separate big and small particles. So this one is the big particles. big particle and the small particles, they will output from different outlet. Yes. So this is how the vibration sieve working. So it's almost the finish and complete garri processing. How our machine running and how to process fresh cassava tubers to garri one by one. Yes, and some main machines, how the main machine working, I shared it with you. So if you are interested to set up a factory in your local, welcome getting your inquiry. So finally, let us check the 3D video again. And we now our location in China. We are in Zhengzhou City, and our factory in Jiaozuo City. So we also welcome you visit our office, visit our factory. Now in factory we have some garri machine will deliver it to Ghana, and we also have machines will deliver it to Congo. Yes. This is the peeling. Remove the layers. This design used to divide cassava slurry to different bags and then to fermentation. Fermentation about 2 or 3 days, to get a better taste. After fry, so you can see the fryer. It can pour to make the garri out. Yeah, and then by this, the garri will be collected by the screw conveyor. Enter this cooling system to reduce the temperature. So this one, vibration sieve to separate big and small particles. So if you have any problem about our machines, welcome getting your message. And if you are interested in setting up the factory in your local, you can message us. Yes. And now in our Nigeria branch, we also have part of garri machines. So if you can visit China, or if you can visit our Nigeria branch, yes, welcome. So today I mainly introduced our company history and what we do in China, and what our different what are our different machines, and how to process cassava tubers to garri, and our main garri machines. So if you are interested, one of our machines, maybe the environmental machine, or the cassava machine, or the vegetable oil processing machines, yes, welcome you send inquiry. Our project manager will contact you. So today we mainly introduced the garri, how to process fresh cassava tubers to garri. In the future, we also have the how to process cassava tubers to flour by our machines, and the cassava starch processing, and the cassava chips processing. So if you like our live streaming, yes, you can pay attention to our live streaming. Yes, every week we will have. If no other problem, today it's time to say goodbye. And every week we will have the live streaming to introduce our company, to introduce what machines we have, and how to process cassava to different products. Yeah, so if you are interested, yes, you can pay attention to our live streaming, or you can focus on our company website. Any problem you have, welcome getting your message. Yeah, so now this to squeeze the moisture. Garri fryer. Okay, so if no other problem, it's time to say goodbye. Yeah. Okay, so bye bye everyone. See you next time.